Did you know that one missing person at a meeting saved an entire legal aid clinic from closing forever? Sarah was a solo attorney running a free legal clinic in her small town. For 3 years, she helped families with housing issues, immigration papers, and basic legal needs. Then the city council voted to shut her down. They said the building was needed for other purposes. Sarah felt defeated. Her community would lose their only source of free legal help. But Sarah didn't give up. She studied every rule, every procedure, every tiny detail of how the council operated. That's when she found it. The night they voted to close her clinic, only 4 council members were present. But their own rules required 5 members for a valid vote. They lacked proper quorum. Sarah challenged the decision in court. The judge agreed. The vote was invalid. Her clinic stayed open. Sometimes victory isn't about dramatic courtroom speeches. Sometimes it's about knowing the rules better than anyone else. Master the details. They might just save everything you've worked for.